Hello, hi, Xposed FM. Ben Bruce. O subscribe, I subscribe it. Many tumpa na wonsaka. OSP ni Ken Oforata nsensem na yeguso. Na no na lawyer Ampaw, a renowned practitioner, lawyer. Pa. What's your kufu adu minyaka yo? Me catch us say. Ejina moya na jatabe ya wodi na sisui. Obeja takesi ama na hantew. Si nyina ye nim say NPP na dey the office of the special prosecutor by to say obe fight corruption. But while over the buy and Papa Nika say he is being gagged, it means say your money yen ejuma. Nenen was a nena lawyer Ampaw say, me na mini papa yo, yen put ye nemra.
Kennedy Pong. Kennedy Pong saw this guy as not only dangerous, but somebody you cannot trust. Somebody who breach trust. Obia say onyesika no real fee baby ofiba no. Kennedy Pong can say, "Hey, President Nado." He don't know point no. Satan Kennedy Pong. We feel this let me say, Ken Kasa Muntie. Lampa ko Kasa, obeka say, hey, Lampa you jealous. It's I say no, I'm from President Pustana Mano. Intimidate man Kesebi. But now I knew where Kissi Jabin is going to take this special prosecutor office to. Matiami do catch them. Say Kissi Jabin is incompetent, or you're arrogant, or you're corrupt. Everybody listen. Or the petition buyer, Mubongu here. And me and Ampaw know you could say Jabe who he is. So opesika. Or you'll be or you're emotional, or you're dada for. So go appointed this people and I said, wow, this boy obey betray President Nanado and a nation. Because one, opakesidia, two, openumda, or your hand time, and I say pesika so. And no wonder Okotari Anas for that criminal enterprise of blackmailing people. Kissi Jabin, since occupying that seat, has turned against this NPP. Who watch here? All the investigations and prosecution here is about NPP appointees. So someone, Jesus Christ, Bisu mo, Charles Bisu mo, when even there is no evidence, he finds evidence. Now, your press conference. No, prejudice the matter. Then he comes to say, this woman, my mother, this woman, say, my case. He said, there is no evidence. Say, why engaging in corrupt practice? And now I did bribe. There's no evidence of money laundering. He said, when even there was no evidence, he was finding evidence. He was looking for circumstantial evidence. He was looking for something to kneel Cecilia Dapa. And they were Cecilia Dapa held on to Cecilia Dapa case. Left, right. Oh, you know. Hold a press conference. But did this judges that time say the judiciary frustrated because he wanted to, but judges no, I take a push. They are frustrating him. They are not allowing him into when they say Aguanoma because now he was desperate to kneel Cecilia Dapa. Now comes Airbus issue. Adaho. Matemi do they start with evidence, taking his time, because the thing has taken international dimension. In Mbuasia 2 yen war Airbus international dimension, British court, American court, I gather evidence through thorough investigations. And you know how Abrofo investigations. Abrofo investigations, and one day they take no more of years to do the investigations, and they have come out with a finding. I court Ajatumu. Matamidu was gradually gathering evidence here and there until he left office. Kissi Jabin no we special scooter. We ja Airbus or something to change. Now he was dealing with Sister Ampaw and then Abisu and minor matters are involving NPP for and fights, trying to paint the picture like the government of the day is not stampeding him, but rather all the corrupt deeds and practices of the previous government. You know, Kissi are being at their 2 shelves. What touching it? This Kissi are being.
I lawyer said wash up brand and now the blah no etu no or say OSP no etu no. Was one you nim no from tete. And you am fan and say papa we obe say wo be yadi o. Na ye be say ho. Sawo for be to help Ghana. Does the person even have to be your friend? No. Maybe there me feel say Ajaben should be firm and hard. But one thing a man who I mean Penny said, he's always after what? The opposition. It's wrong. And until I make us say, we are still in the days as Sabe. He's been what? Manipulated. That's what I'll say. Because remember, say, he takes his power from the Attorney General. It's on see a person truly independent. He needs to be what? Given special powers. Lawyer, but announce now can now so now position ya farmer. Lawyer, what position na ka? Because Sabe, me I failed for all this what I said. Yera Kenofoyata has answers to answer. Because there money be any judgments be or yeah no make Sabe, I wouldn't have done it. And extension goes to even the Bank of Ghana government, governor not one. So mutimi twa 74 billion Ghana cedis allegedly egu ma Ghana your economy asai apantama ye dey share COVID ne Ukraine war. So say COVID na 3 years ago and we are still taking COVID away. All these things has to be, but you see in all this don't let us judge. Let's be fair and one me away. Like Ampaw say o can wayo bampacho train na nipan onya adwuma ne wie. Aha Xposed FM bros. O subscribe me the Zoom pa na won sa ka be manuasi.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.